What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Mary, you're so beautiful, Mary. How old are you, Mary? How old are you? Huh? 7? 7 years old. Okay, Mary, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Happy. What food do you like, Mary?
I like
Spaghetti? Can you louder your voice, okay? Speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Okay, what about color? What color do you like?
I like pink.
Pink. Is this pink?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Today, are you ready for the speaking test? Okay, so you have to say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Let's start our speaking test. Look at this. Teacher first, okay? Orange teacher. Green you, okay? So teacher will read, what are you doing?
I'm writing tea.
Very good. Next, teacher again. Color orange. What are you doing?
I'm painting.
Very good, Mary. Here, color green, it's your turn. Read this one. What?
Are you doing?
Again? What?
What are you doing? I'm coloring.
Coloring. Next.
What are you doing? I'm reading.
Reading. Great job, Mary. Now, it's time for you to remember all the words, okay? Can you read?
Do you have paddle?
Do you have a paddle?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't. Next.
Do you have Bible?
Do you have a, again?
Do you have a baseball? Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Next.
Do you have a soccer ball? Yes, I do.
Great. Next.
Do you have a racket? Yes, I do.
Racket. Next. This
How
time,
many zebras do you have?
how many staplers do you have?
I have 2 staplers.
Staplers. Again, I have.
I have 2 staplers.
Again, Mary, look at me. Staplers.
Staplers.
Yes, great job. Next.
How many erasers do you have? I have 4 erasers.
I have.
I have 4 erasers.
Great. Next.
How many color pencils did you have? I have 12 color pencils.
Okay, very good. 12. Next.
How many rulers do you have? I have 5 rulers.
5.
5 rulers.
Okay. Next. This time, let's talk about the sound, okay? What is the beginning sound?
Water.
Water. Next.
Watches. Watches.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Under.
Say the word under.
Under. Kangaroo.
Next.
Hamster.
Hamster.
Yes.
Yes.
Rock.
Box.
Rocks.
Next.
Elephant.
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 Okay, so this time, Mary, we will read and match the word to the picture, okay? So here, let's read number 1.
Half circle.
Say it again. Draw a half circle.
Draw a half circle.
Okay, can you point? Where is it? There you go. Next.
Roll the ball.
Again.
Rolls the ball.
Bounce.
Bounce the ball.
Bounce the ball. There is it. Great job.
Shoot the ball.
Shoot.
Shoot the ball.
Shoot the ball. Where is it? Yes. Great. Next.
Roll.
Brush.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. Where is it? Okay. Very good. That's it. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Mary. See you again.